Hey guys, Ron Musgraves here, Pressure Washing Institute, contractors first. Hey, today I'm doing this is a sales video. Some people might not think it's a sales video, but when you're talking about commercial sales, it's all about trust and ownership of basically the property that you're working on. Lots of commercial real estate third party managers and owners and developers, they want you to take ownership in the property. And this is a tactic for it's two ways. It's to either build a better relationship with an existing customer, letting them know that there's a problem that exists, or even letting a prospect know that this exists on one of their properties if you should be on site. If you're out there trying to measure the property, inspect the property, doing something with the property in order to give them a proposal or a bid, this is always something good that you can do, and it'll get you an email or a phone call thanking you for it. And this is a real simple. This is an abandoned vehicle. Obviously, you can see the vehicle has windows broken out of it. It has a flat tire. So you want to make a report, and you want to make sure that you let the right person that basically procures these agreements, whether they're monthly, annual, whatever type of agreement is, let them know that they got it. Or if they already are a customer, it's a great way to build an existing relationship and build more trust with them. Obviously, when you do these things, you need to get the picture of where the vehicle is located. Obviously a picture of the vehicle. And then if you're doing this, you make a little report on it, and you let them know the make and model of the vehicle, the damage to the vehicle, and some of these little things. And then basically where it's located on the property. All these things are great tools, like I said, to take ownership in the property, whether you're trying to win a contract with someone, a prospect, or if it's an existing customer. It's just a great sales tactic or a sales strategy, whatever the word you want to choose. It's just a great thing to do that. Anyways, Ron Musgrave just giving you guys some sales tips. I am going to be building some brand new content 25 and 26. Look forward to you guys seeing the new content. And I always, man, if you want to, please like, share, and follow. It's greatly appreciated. And if you want to be in tune with my free events, register free at nationalcleaningexpo.com. Love to see it. Some of the events that I'm going to be at out there. Not ready to tell you all of them, but some of the dates and things are locked down. So we look forward to seeing you guys out there. You guys have a great day. Ron Musgraves, Pressure Washing Institute, contractors first. We're out.